Teacher's best regards. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Diana Sofía Segura. I am native of Ibagué. I have resided in other cities, such as Sevilla, Valle del Cauca, where I completed my primary school. I currently live in Mariquita, Tolima, where I enrolled in UNAD. As the second step, I want to talk about a tribal experience, which I did some time ago by the Departamento of Cauca, and more exactly around San Andrés de Piscimbalá, where the Puracé volcano is located. My boyfriend and I stayed in a cabin located at the foot of the mountain, and very early in the morning we came up to the volcano, but we did not have adequate equipment or clothes for it. The weather, as expected, very frozen up there. Very freezing at there, we were enwrapped in a thick fog. In spite everything, we enjoyed completely enchanting landscapes, as if we were on a strange planet. Finally, I would like to make some recommendations to those who have desire to carry out these adventures. It is a good idea to make a planning to know what things to take. As for what people should do, wear appropriate clothing, footwear that allows climbing more easily, hats and gloves, as well as food that provides enough calories. People should not miss the record of these magnificent landscapes, and it is a fantastic experience to share. That's all. Thank you very much.